How to fix story comment not showing on Instagram in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open App Store and then search here Instagram. First of all, check your Instagram update. If you have any update of your Instagram, then here you can see the update option. After update your Instagram, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back to your home screen and open your settings. In settings, click on general and then click on iPhone storage. After clicking on iPhone storage, then here you can see the option Instagram and click on it. Now here you can offload your Instagram app and reinstall it. After reinstall your Instagram app, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.